Welcome back, everyone. This is the first jumps on the Haro Race Lite Pro 24. Check it out. Here it is.
All right, this is the Haro Race Lite Pro 24. All right, 6061 T6 aluminum frame, 3D dropouts, beautiful. Really pretty. Mail order cruiser, right? All right, handlebars, Haro, 5 1/4 inch rise, cruiser bars, Haro baseline kind of stem. Like it though. Considered ordering another one of these from my PK Ripper, but 1 1/8 threadless, straight rims, double walled Haro. Hubs are both sealed. 36 spoke, Kinder conversion tires. 175 millimeter two-piece hollow cranks with a 24 millimeter spindle, 40 tooth chain ring. I used the Haro flat pedals, put them on there, the reflector. KMC chain, I believe. Haro seat and seat post. Back wheel, same double walled Haro aluminum wheel, Kinder conversion. 16 tooth cog, looks like chrome to me. So it's a 40/16 gearing. We'll go over this hub in a second, but first we'll switch around here to the Pro Max disc brake, 160 millimeter disc. Stops pretty good. I had to stop a lot today on the trails. Test drive will be coming soon. But there's the lever up there, Pro Max. All right, I think I caught everything. So let's give a quick look. Let you hear this hub. Maybe, let's see here, let's flip her upside down. All right, I'm gonna put this down, kind of lift it up, give it a pedal, it's backwards. Quite a bit of engagement. I was really happy with it. It seemed to work pretty instantly for a stock brand hub. I like it. There it is, bottom well. Look at that, very smooth. All right, y'all, have a good one. Peace out.
All right, so the jumps are a little bit out of order, but yeah. Oh, these are so good. This is actually what I jumped first this day. It's a huge rise up to get to the top of this, and then it's a 3 foot rise up from the, maybe 2 foot off the top of that lip, if you can see, going back down. Color gets a little flat. I'm going to work on fixing that in future videos. I'm so good. You gotta crash every session. So fun. Yeah, so I did well. First day jumping, it was super fun. Yeah, I had a blast. It was great. It was fast through the trails, jumped fine. Yeah, it seems like a good bike, plenty of control. So yeah, we'll keep experimenting with it. Please like and subscribe and check out my Instagram. It really helps me out. See ya.